Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review and recommend the best products on the market. Today, we have an essential item for all you crafters and packaging enthusiasts out there. We'll be talking about the TSSART self-adhesive Kraft paper tape, the ultimate solution for your packaging needs. Stick around to find out why this is the best tape for Kraft wrapping paper available in the market. So, let's dive right into it. The TSSART self-adhesive Kraft paper tape is designed to make your packaging and crafting tasks easier and more efficient. This tape offers a range of features that set it apart from the rest. First and foremost, this tape is made from premium Kraft paper, ensuring its durability and reliability. It adheres exceptionally well to both the frame and backing, making it an ideal choice for picture framing and more. It's specially designed to resist oxidation and temperature changes, ensuring your packages and projects stay intact for longer periods. One of the standout features of this tape is its tear-by-hand design. You won't need scissors for application, simply tear it by hand. It's incredibly convenient and saves you time and effort. Worried about sticky residue when you need to remove the tape? With the TSSART Kraft paper tape, that's not an issue. It's a medium tack tape that can be easily removed without leaving any sticky residue behind. Plus, it's writable, making it perfect for creating removable labels on plastic bins, glass jars, and more. This tape is incredibly versatile. It's not just for picture framing. You can use it for carton packaging, general sealing, covering writing, and so much more. Its wide range of applications makes it a must-have tool for your crafting and packaging needs. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, you'll be pleased to know that the TSSART self-adhesive Kraft paper tape is not only top quality but also affordable. It comes in different sizes to suit your specific needs, starting at just $5.99. TSSART is so confident in the quality of their product that they offer a satisfaction guarantee. If, for any reason, you're not completely satisfied with this tape, they'll make it right. That's the kind of assurance you want when making your purchase. In summary, the TSSART self-adhesive Kraft paper tape is the best tape for Kraft wrapping paper available in the market. Its premium quality, easy tear, residue-free removal, and versatility make it a top choice for all your packaging and crafting needs. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this tape, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.